Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unarchive or extract any .rar file. So in order to extract any RAR file, what you're going to do is first let's access our RAR file. So here you can see that I have this RAR file right here. So what we're going to do is simply tap on this, and from here we can choose this extract all button right here, and then we can choose the location where we want this extracted folder to be present. So currently I will choose the extract to parent folder option, and here you can see that it has extracted successfully. So if I'll go back here, you can see that I have received both of these sample documents from this sample5.rar. So that's how easy it is to extract any document in your Android device. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.